I'm gonna go eat my breakfast. I mean, not eat, like just drink. What's up? What's up? What's up? I can see you shoot, but I'm not gonna film your face because if privacy reasons. Are you consented if I film your face?
No.
Oh no, okay, I will blur it then. No worries. Oh, you almost go in. Sheesh. Okay, that's so bad, bro. Splash. Ooh. I'm using my left hand some more. Okay, that's such a bad miss. Sheesh. Should I? Oh, let's go. So ate my dinner. Didn't record until the dishes. I just watched them. Didn't film until my dinner because I literally was watching some YouTube video on my phone to relax a little bit. I don't normally do that. I normally like chat with my family and stuff, but just for today, relax a little bit. So today's a Sunday, so supposedly I pushed myself today, but I just chose to rest because it's been 3 weeks since I've been grinding every single day for 3 weeks, and I got sick. That's why I rested today. I rested well, so I hope that today I can rest well. Tomorrow I can continue. Anyways, I'll do a little bit of a workout, then after that I'll end the video. I'm not going to record it because my phone's running out of battery. Yeah, there's 1% left. That's about it, I guess, for today. Peace.